Hey folks, temperatures cooling off across the valley, not quite as quickly as last night, but still into the 60s in most areas. McAllen hanging in at 71, 66 in Harlingen, Raymondville, and Weslaco, 70 at this hour in Brownsville. Overnight, most readings should drop back into the upper 50s and low 60s once again. Dew points have come up a little bit, and if that continues to be the case, we may not get quite this cool, but still in the low 60s at the very least. And again, a few places reaching the upper 50s. Then tomorrow, right back in the 80s again. And we were 82 today, so you're looking at 2 to maybe 4 degrees warmer tomorrow than what it was today. With bright sunshine, low humidity, still should be a pretty nice day across the area. The normal high for this time of year is 87. Will be 84 tomorrow, 86 Thursday, and then 88 on Friday. And as we warm things up, we bring more humidity in, and with that, we bring in an increased chance for a few showers. Not a big rain event by any means, but at least scattered showers. Satellite really quiet over the valley tonight. Not much to see out there other than a lot of stars. Skies are mainly clear. Future track hints at some patchy clouds overnight, but for the most part, that's just the humidity coming back in, and not much of it because tomorrow we're sunny again. Go into tomorrow night and early Thursday, then you see a little more moisture sneaking in. And again, this stuff for the most part is just humidity because we're still looking at partly to mostly sunny skies on Thursday. Friday, enough moisture for maybe a shower or two, primarily along the sea breeze during the afternoon. So we're putting a 20% probability in there for Friday. So we go dry, dry, and then 20% by the time we get to the end of the week. Saturday looks like Friday. Sunday, probably a better chance because that's when our next front gets into the neighborhood. Pretty quiet over Texas tonight. If you watch Future Track, it says not much going on. Again, some of the moisture sneaks back in, but that's about it. But as we go all the way into Friday and Saturday, you don't see much changing other than the humidity building back into the region. And again, that triggers isolated showers by the time we get to the end of the forecast period. There's the next front. That is due in the area, it looks like, again, sometime Sunday. That's our next weather maker. It's way out off the coast of Canada, off the coast of Alaska. This is it. That's our next weather maker. It's moving off to the east-southeast. That'll bring a bunch of rain to the Pacific Northwest. For us, that front due in the valley on Sunday. It's still a ways off. So for the coast, here's what's going on. Northeasterly winds relatively light. The chop is light as well. UV index is high. There are 3 tides. Surf and bay temperature both at 80. The seas are running 2 to 4 feet with a moderate chop on the bay. So for tonight, 57 for a low, clear skies and cool. Patchy low clouds, but they'll move out pretty quickly. Tomorrow, sunny again. Very nice. Low humidity, light and variable winds. A high tomorrow of 84 degrees. 84, 86, 88. By the time you get to Saturday and Sunday, we're back into the low 90s once again. Partly sunny on Saturday, 91. Sunday, that's our best chance for rain with the front itself. A shower, maybe even a thunderstorm. Depends on how much moisture it has to work with. But behind it, looks like by Monday and Tuesday, we dry out again. Cooler, mainly sunny. Lows back into the 60s, highs in the low 80s. So our best chance, we kind of work our way up to Sunday, and then we dry things out behind that front on Monday and on Tuesday. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Joel.